Good afternoon or morning. Today I'm doing a home vlog because I'm actually working and it's kind of cold out. We're supposed to get snow tonight into tomorrow, so yeah. Anyway, so today I have decided to make homemade onion rings, which I've already made. They're delicious. Well, I haven't tried them. They smell good. I like the batter. But, yes, yummy, yummy, yummy. Actually, they're really good. At least the batter is. So, I'm making that. And I am also making some sauteed, doing some sauteed mushrooms as well. And I am going to do a burger today for lunch while I'm working. So, yes, that's what I'm doing today. So not much, just kind of hanging out. First time making onion rings. So, I'm kind of impressed by myself with that. So, yay! And I love mushrooms, so I always saute my mushrooms. I usually do it in butter, in my Irish butter, which is real butter, compared to like, you know, can't believe it's not butter. I like the real stuff. So, but as of right now, I'm just kind of using the leftover grease from the onion rings. So, because there wasn't much, because I don't like a whole lot of grease, but I will use that. So yeah, I just did a little dash of, I do kosher salt, some ground pepper, and I just let it cook. While that's happening, I'm going to try an onion ring. Okay, very good. I'm not a chef, but these are actually really good. Almost restaurant quality. Yummy. So what I did with these, just so you're aware, is I did half a cup of white flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not soda, baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, which I did my kosher salt, and then I did just a dash of paprika, and that's it. And you mix that around. You add probably 3/4 cup of water, kind of get it thick, and this is what it comes out. You just dump the onions in, mix it around, cook it until it's lightly brown. Yummy! Oh my gosh, I didn't know I can cook, but apparently I can. Surprise! But yeah, so that is what I'm doing today. Not much, but a lot. Anyway, hope you all are doing a very good day and you guys are staying safe. I believe I'm going to have a video call later on tonight with some friends that I haven't seen in a while. So that will be good. And that's about it. So with that, I am off. Make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell, and watch some more of my videos. Talk to you later.